How to fix HDMI not working on laptop on Windows 11. In order to fix this issue, let's first open the device manager. From here, expand the display adapters, and from here make sure that you update both your integrated and dedicated graphics drivers. Firstly, search automatically for drivers and make sure that you have a proper internet connection available, or you can manually download the graphics driver, the latest version of graphics driver on your computer, and tap on browse my computer for drivers in order to manually install the latest version of graphics drivers. And after this, go to services, open up the services, search for Windows Update, double click on the services, and make sure the startup type is automatic, and tap on start and click on apply. And also go to Windows Update, and from there check if you have any Windows Update available, and if you haven't downloaded the latest Windows Update, click on download and install, and this will help to solve your HDMI not working on laptop on Windows 11. So if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.